This project began when the municipality upgraded my water meter but left it exposed. With cars parking nearby, there was a real risk of damage. Buying safety bollards from the manufacturer turned out to be too expensive, so I decided to design and build my own. I approached it like I would as if it was a Revit BIM project, but I was using AutoCAD. I created drawings, 3D views, a bill of quantities, and then realized if I can put project photographs in, the metadata within those photographs can be used. This would mean that every revision, every cost change, every schedule, etc., could be tracked when it came to the collaboration aspect in traditional BIM workflows. With the help of MASH, a seasoned construction professional, the foundation was a calculated concrete plinth. Microsoft Copilot helped me calculate the mix, compare supplier prices, and document the curing schedule. Even the shuttering strategy was engineered for strength and precision. For the bollards, I repurposed a steel hollow core section bar. I contracted Delco Engineering to do the 45-degree split, plate, weld, and mount a new base plate, all detailed in AutoCAD as if it was a Revit model. I now realize that drilling into cured concrete is best done towards the end of the curing process, because my 550-watt drill nearly died. So I borrowed an 800-watt drill, and with an SDS drill bit, I made the breakthrough. With the holes drilled and expansion joints locked in, the bollards were secure. So what's the result? A durable, cost-effective bollard system that protects my water meter. Mission accomplished. But more than that, this experiment proved, hopefully, that a single draftsman can deliver BIM-level accountability using AutoCAD, persistence, and creativity. This is DIY with BIM thinking. Design, cost, schedule, and build, all in one workflow.
So in a word, BIM LITE.